Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee reels. Creating captivating coffee reels starts with a clear vision. First, truly understand your audience and what kind of coffee content resonates with them. Then, meticulously plan your reel's narrative, perhaps following the journey from a single bean to a delicious cup. Finally, ensure you have all your equipment ready, from your camera to your coffee tools, before you even begin to film. Preparation is key to a smooth and successful shoot. Capturing the perfect shot is crucial for an engaging coffee reel. Always prioritize natural light. It provides a warm, inviting glow that artificial lights often cannot replicate. Don't be afraid to experiment with various angles, from overhead shots of pouring to extreme close-ups of crema. Remember to keep your camera incredibly steady, perhaps using a tripod or a stable surface, to ensure your footage is smooth and professional, enhancing the viewer's experience. Once your footage is captured, the magic happens in editing. Begin by selecting trending audio that perfectly complements the mood and pace of your visuals. Sound is half the experience. Edit your clips to create a dynamic, fast-paced flow, keeping individual shots to just a few seconds to maintain engagement. Consider adding concise text overlays for important details, like ingredients or a clear call to action, encouraging viewers to interact with your content. After all your hard work, it's time to share your coffee reel and maximize its impact. Craft a compelling caption that tells a story or asks a question, always including relevant and trending hashtags to boost discoverability. Research and post your reel at the optimal times when your target audience is most active online. Finally, actively engage with every comment and share your reel across other social media platforms to expand its reach and build a vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.